Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made this simple bracelet. Very easy to make. In our materials, I have two sizes of seed beads. I have 11O and 8O. I have round pearl, oval pearl, and they are 3 by 6 millimeter. My beading needle number 11. I have 1-inch chain. And I have a clasp, and I already put the jump ring. And and this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. First, I put my stopper and leave like a 7 inches length of tail. Then I'll pick up pearl 8O, 11O, 8O, 11O, and 8O. Then pick up the same pearl 8O, 11O, 8O, 11O, and 8O. Then pick up another set. And I'm going to continue adding my beads until I have 30 pearls. I completed my 30 pearls with set of 8O, 11O, 8O, 11O, 8O in between. And note that I started with the pearl and ends in pearl. So I pick up 7, 11O, then I can attach my the chain. I'm going to go back just to reinforce. So my thread is coming out. Then I'll pick up 11O, then pass through the next pearl, then pick up 11O, pass to the next pearl, then pick up 11O, pass to the next, pick up another 11O, pass to the next pearl, then pick up 1, 111.0, pass to the next pearl, then pick up 1, 111.0, pass to the next pearl, pick up 111.0, pass to the next pearl, and I'm going to continue adding 111.0 until here. So my thread is coming out, and I'll pick up 111.0, then pass through, then pick up 711.0, then I can attach the clasp, Guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. I'm just passing through to reinforce, and then I'm going to make some couple of knots. Then I'll cut the thread. One more. And I will also do the same here. Pass through some beads, then make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. So the size of the bracelet from here to here is 6 1/4 inches. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.